是 Benji， 我是从沙拉瓦来，然后我现在是在 HSBC 做一个 banker。我觉得 management team 的人都很 friendly 噻，然后如果你有什么问题的话，他们就会马上帮你解决啊。如果你在外面租房的话，很多的 management 他们都是拖了过后，等他们有空才去回你。在这边，就算他们没有空，他们也尽量去帮你先解决你的问题。我住得蛮舒服的，因为 management 他们会细心的打扮、design 这些家里的 interior 的 structure， 然后就你住进去的时候，你不会像是在租一间房间，而是住在自己家。
Hi, I'm Audrey. I'm from Kuching, but currently living working in KL. I'm working as a QA engineer. We're very comfortable. The place is clean and it's very homey, very accommodating.
Hi, my name is Laura. So I'm from Penang originally, but currently working in Tenant Testimonial. Honestly, I find the management is very good because when I had troubles, they will try to solve it immediately, or at least try their best to work a solution out, and they actually managed to work out the solution. So it solved my problem. And with that, I think it's a good experience for me so far. I've been staying here since May this year, May 2020.
Kevin, I come from Vietnam. This is a country which is famous for coffee, like milk coffee especially. Currently, I'm working at G Tower in Kuala Lumpur. Yeah. So far, I think this is a great place to stay and have because the room are very clean and new, and also the hosts are very friendly and very helpful with all my needs. Actually, it's just a coincidence that my friend find you guys on Facebook, and then she recommend me to rent this place. And after 1 or 2 months, then I feel totally in love with your service. All of you guys are very friendly, and also every time I need some help, I just need to text you, and you are always available to help me. That's very fast service compared to before I stayed in Sirikmaya. But the agent never helped me with anything. Like if I forgot my keys, then he tell me to call the locker myself. I cannot help anything.
Hi, I'm Evelyn Michael, and I am an auditor. I work in PwC. I live in Klang. So living here, I find it very comfortable, and I like it when the agents like Charlie, Crystal, and Vincent, they always will help me whenever I'm in need of help, and they are always there whenever I say that Charlie, I'm actually locked out of my my room, or the other day I had an issue with my cupboard as well, and then I like how they are always very hands-on, which makes the staying here very pleasant and very comfortable, very efficient, and I love that they are always there when you need them. Come join us!
Hi, come join us!
欢迎加入我们。
Come and join us. Hãy tới ở với chúng tôi.
Come join us!